Hey kids! In this video, we are going to learn about things that go together. Toothbrush. Toothbrush goes with toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Pencil. Pencil goes with sharpener. Pencil and sharpener. Trouser. Trouser goes with shirt. Trouser and shirt. Chair. Chair goes with table. Chair and table. Bag. Bag goes with books. Bag and books. Saucer. Saucer goes with cup. Cup and saucer. Brush goes with color. Brush and color. Cake. Cake goes with candle. Cake and candle. Fish. Fish goes with aquarium. Fish and aquarium. Pen. Pen goes with ink. Pen and ink. Doctor. Goes with stethoscope. Stethoscope goes with doctor. Doctor and stethoscope. Banana. Banana goes with monkey. Banana and monkey. Watch. Watch goes with hand. Watch and hand. Bottle. Bottle goes with baby. Bottle and baby. CD. CD goes with player. CD and player. Battery. Battery goes with torch. Battery and torch. Key. Key goes with lock. Key and lock. Plug. Plug goes with switch. Plug and switch. Star. Star goes with moon. Star and moon. Bulb. Bulb goes with table lamp. Bulb and table lamp.